Greetings, Curveballs, and welcome back to my channel. Hello, if you are new here, my name is Lisa and I am the Curvy Cuban, and I love to do artistic eye looks and I like to do palettes. The entire month of June, I'm taking a break on palette duping because I belong to a wonderful group of creative members who like to collaborate for special themes and special days. Those three are Tara from Tara Beauty 36, Candace from Candace Hampton, and Shelly of Shelly Schlacka. Today's theme is Sweet Tooth. I decided to do a hot pink halo eye, kind of like James Charles-esque theme, the way he did whenever he had that bubblegum eye crossing look. And then I decided to try to make gumballs on my face. And they kind of turned out looking like jelly beans, but because it's still candy and it falls in with the sweet tooth idea, I'm just gonna go with it. So this is what I came up with for my sweet tooth look. If you'd like to see how I got there, then you should just keep on watching. But before you do, you know the drill. Don't forget to hit subscribe, tap that notification bell, and throw me a thumbs up if you like to have a little something sweet in your life, literally or figuratively. Let's get into this video. To start off this look, we're gonna go with a bubblegum pink halo eye, in which case we're gonna start with the outer and then the inner corners by coating it in pigment. I'm gonna grab my Be Perfect Stacey Marie XL palette. I'm gonna tap into the shade Influence and just start applying some pigment to the outer and inner corner. Next, I'm going to go into the shade in Lust, and I'm just going to kind of go over that. I feel like the shades are very, very similar. And next, I'm going to go into the shade Funky. And then I'm gonna dip into the shade Foolish, which is like a peachy pink shade. And I want to blend out all of the edges. It's a good thing that June is National Pink Month, because almost everything that I've chosen to do for this month has been pink. So I choke you down just like a pill. Now I'm going to get a much smaller brush, and we want to darken up the outer edge there. And I'm going to go in with the black shade Lights Out. Then I'm going to go back into the shade Influence, blend that black. Taking the original brush I had, I'm going to go back and make a better blend with a bigger brush. Just really darken up that outer corner. Then going back into the shade Funky. And now I want to go into my Momo Mitchell palette and get the shade Milkshake, which is like a really pastel pink. Gently blend out those edges. Going to do the halo portion, so I'm gonna mark the center of my eye. And this one I'm doing the old school trick where you coat and then look up. That way I can get a good marker. Oh, you make me wanna talk back. For my halo. Talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No. My eye shape is super frustrating being deep set, trying to make this look right. And for me, in order for this to really be powerful, I'm gonna have to make the halo go underneath my eye as well. Obviously there's nothing for me to cut there, but I will not be putting any dark pigments all the way along the lower lash line. Whatever the brightest shade that's going to be in the center of my eye is going to be on the lower lash line as well. Once I think I got the shape right, I'm just going to use the back of my finger to try to soften the edges. The center of the halo, we're going to go in with the Momo Mitchell palette in the shade Michelle. It's a very soft shimmer. Now for the shade Morning Glory in the Mitchell palette. Now I'm going to take my pinky and go into the shade Muffin. And just press that in the center for some light. More Morning Glory along the lower lash line. And then right in the center, Muffin on top of that. Going back into Milkshake, I'm going to go underneath all of these colors. Make the look a little bit more cohesive. Just gonna put a hot pink liner in the waterline from Wet n Wild. And I'm gonna grab a bigger brush to get some more Muffin on it. It looks like we painted a stripe of shimmer right down the center of the eyes. Now the halo eye portion of this look is complete. Next up, bubblegum freckles. We'll be right back after lashes. So I wanted to practice a couple of these gum balls.
Wasn't sure how they were going to turn out. Still not quite sure, but I'm going with it.
So I'm using these little Kat Von D sticks that I used in my Easter collab, and if you haven't seen that, I'll link it right there. They're just these little, like, fat, they're not even eyeliners. I'm not sure what she marketed them as. It's just an electric blue stick. I've got blue, pink, and orange to make it look like a gumball. And then I'm going to take a tiny brush and dip into a darker blue shadow. Kind of outline it. With some shading there. And then I'm going to take my NYX white eyeliner and highlight the opposite side. Like so. Kind of looks like a bubble. I'm going for gumball.
I'm sorry, I am not a professional gumball artist.
I'm going to take a baby blue called Soft Spot. Kind of look like jelly beans, which I guess if the show is called Sweet Tooth, it could be a jelly bean or a gumball you pick.
Oh, you make me want to talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh yeah. Take you like a pill.
This is my Lime Crime Diamond Crushers liquid lipstick in the shade Pink Pearl. Thought it would add a little bit of shimmer to the inner corner and to the lips, kind of go with the whole sweet tooth vibe.
No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
Here it is, my final look for the Sweet Tooth collaboration.
Oh yeah. Take you like a pill.
Once again, that is a wrap for me, Curveballs. Thank you so much for joining me for this entire month of June for all of our wonderful themed looks. Don't forget to check out all the lovely ladies listed down below. We also have a playlist you can click on if you'd like to see what everybody else came up with for their sweet tooth looks. Next up is going to be our Stinkin' Pink look, celebrating National Pink Month.
Not like you haven't got enough pink from me already. Just stay tuned for the next one.
Before you leave, don't forget to tap subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads, and throw me a thumbs up if you like this look. So until next time, stay curvy and stay cavity free, and I'll see you in a week. Bye!
Just like a pill. Oh yeah. Take you like a pill.